Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will compare the Nissan Kicks versus the Mazda 2. We'll explore how these two popular subcompact vehicles stack up against each other. The Kicks offers a higher ride height and optional all-wheel drive, while the Mazda 2 focuses on nimble handling and efficiency. We'll dive into their performance, interior features, and overall value to help you decide which one best fits your lifestyle. When it comes to performance, the Nissan Kicks is powered by a 2.0-liter engine, delivering 141 horsepower. It offers an estimated 31 combined miles per gallon with front-wheel drive. The Mazda 2, on the other hand, typically features a 1.5-liter engine with around 110 horsepower, boasting a more efficient 44 combined miles per gallon. The Kicks also uniquely offers optional all-wheel drive for varied road conditions. Inside, both vehicles offer modern amenities, but with some key differences. The Nissan Kicks provides a generous 60 cubic feet of maximum cargo space with the rear seats folded, along with available 12.3-inch dual displays and wireless charging. The Mazda 2, while smaller, still offers up to 33.5 cubic feet of cargo space and typically includes a 7-inch infotainment screen with standard Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless connectivity. Considering value, the Nissan Kicks has a starting price around $21,830, offering a compelling package with available all-wheel drive and advanced safety features like Pro Pilot Assist. The Mazda 2, with a starting price around $22,990 in certain markets, appeals to those prioritizing fuel efficiency and a more agile driving experience. Your choice depends on whether you value SUV versatility and advanced tech versus compact car nimbleness and superior fuel economy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.